Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa. I put out videos every week related to all things lifestyle and self-care. So let's get into this holiday cleaning video. When I tell y'all I was pissed, but I ain't had nobody else to blame but myself because I opened it stupidly. I took that junk right back to Bales and got my money back. Well, I actually got a different pitcher. I wanted a pitcher to place on our kitchen counter so we could have healthy options instead of juice. Well, I don't drink juice, but I don't want my daughter to be drinking juice, so I put that out there so she could have refreshing drinks. So this is me just getting ready to clean up.
Where the ladies got asses and la sex. And Hot Atlanta, y'all, is one of the best. Where they speak southern slang and smoke la cess. And New York women are way too fresh. Too much on your mind, let me ease that stress. I wish you all were mine, it's so selfish. Maybe I'm feeling myself too much, I guess. But to my ladies all across the globe, in small towns that I don't even know.
It's on my to-do list before the end of the year to clean up under that counter because it is a hot mess in there. I know. And I do like the 7 disinfectant cleaner. It gets the job done, but I just don't like the smell of it. But it really does disinfect well without all the harsh chemicals from other disinfectants.
And I'll be trying to come around my girl acting like Mr. Friendly. It's still the spotlight like Mr. Bentley. I spotted her like Spud McKenzie. And for them fake boobies, I paid them Benjis. Get your own. I got Paris, he got Nikki, he tried to get him a clone. You know you got extra hoes, and everything you do is extra pose. From the polo fleece to the G-Stars. I got family in high places like Jesus, niece. Can I please say my piece? And this one here is a heat rock, spit like a beatbox, the way the beat rocks, new version of Pete Rock. But for that Benz, I get CL love, so I switch my girls around like 3L Dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Oh my, yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies, and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, baby.
I know most people light their candles after they're finished cleaning, but I like to light it while I'm cleaning so I could get the smell and the aroma going. So by the time I'm finished, the house is already smelling good with the cleaning stuff and with the candle. So yeah, I flip it up. I absolutely love how this table decor came out, and it's literally a wreath for your door, and I just pop it open and put some Christmas trees in there. I started using the 3M, whatever that thing is called, that you use to stick frames and stuff to the wall. That did not work for this picture frame, so I had to get some nails and do it old school. But yeah, I don't know what's going on with my camera. I have the Sony ZV1 and it changes from light to dark. So if you have a Sony, let me know what I could do. Decided to just paint the stairway because I wanted to wrap it with the Christmas ornaments and just decorate my staircase, and it looked dingy. So yeah, we keep a can of paint to just touch ups, and I literally forgot that I painted it and put my elbow on it, and that's how I got the paint mark. But you know, your girl got it done at the end of the day. It was looking so cute when it was done, just fresh. If you don't know, now you know. Miss Toni Braxton is one of my favorite singers of all time. And I'm literally doing a concert. You cannot tell me that I'm not Beyonce or Toni on stage while cleaning. I'm literally having a concert, and that's why it takes my butt so long to clean the damn house. Because I'm stopping, I'm putting on a show. Listen, let me know how you clean, because I would have saved so much time if I just Robbie and clean up the mess. I do use a Roomba, and it comes in handy. I got it from my mom. Actually, someone gave it to her and she gave it to me. It does come in handy, but she takes forever. And between my dancing, getting ready to go pick up my kid, I had to start cleaning in between. But days that my house is clean, I just turn her on and she just picks up all the little dirt, you know?
Alexa, next song.
Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. Yeah, no one. Yeah, but me. Yeah, baby. To my thick chicks down in Texas, all the way to New Orleans, where the girls cook catfish. And in LA, every chick's an actress. Hollywood status with the shaded glasses. To Detroit, yeah, the place that I rest, where the ladies got asses and la la sex. And how Atlanta, y'all.
So I ran back to Bales and I got a new one because I wasn't going to keep that one. I honestly wasn't. Sadly, they didn't have the bigger one, so I found the smaller one. And I also found this, so it was a good thing I went because we need this. Electric wine opener. And I need that.
Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it.
It's cute. I like it. And this is a 1.5 gallon.
It was pretty easy to assemble, but I wish I had the bigger one. Actually, no, I don't. Because the way how that broke so easily, like no. So hopefully this one lasts. But I'm just making simple refreshers. So I started off making cucumber and lemon. And the next day, I think I made mint water with lemon. It was so good.
So I switch my girls around like 3L dub. I'm calling. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish.
Listen, don't judge me. And I know it's a lot of salt. I know. And I should have just ate the cucumbers by itself, but it just reminded me of my childhood of eating cucumber with salt. And I used to love cucumbers and tomatoes, but now I cannot stand tomatoes. But this, it was so good. But I know it was a lot of salt, so I ended up just washing it off. I'm lying, I didn't wash it off, child. I ate it. I ate it with all that salt. But I only had 2 and a lot of sodium. It was so refreshing. Like, I literally went through all of that just for this damn water, and it was so worth it. I'll do it again. I'll do it again.
That is it, guys. That is the vlog. It's simply just a cleaning video, and y'all saw the chaos I had to go through just to get this. Just to get this. Did I need it? No. Did I need a picture? No. Did I? I did. I really did. Got paint on my arm. All that cleaning. I am so sweaty, and I still ain't stink, but I'm still sweaty. I'm going to take a bath, but thank you guys for watching. Again, my name is Vanessa. I put out videos every week related to all things lifestyle and self-care. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I enjoy cleaning my house. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. I didn't even do an intro. Damn it.